Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do applications of derivative. In applications of derivative, exercise 2.4, that is on increasing and decreasing functions. So first two questions we did in the previous video of the same exercise 2.3. Now in this video we are going to start with from question number 3, that is increasing and decreasing functions. So when we say that the functions are increasing, f dash of x is greater than 0. If f dash of x is less than 0, the functions are decreasing. Here question number 3, see in question number 3, first sub question we have discussed in the last video. So we start with question number sub question 2, fx is equal to x plus 25 upon x. Here we find derivative of this. We find f dash of x, that is equal to 1, and derivative of this will be minus 1 upon x square. 1 by x derivative will be minus 1 upon x square, and this 25. Now the function is decreasing. See, we find value of x for which the function is what? Strictly decreasing. So fx is strictly decreasing. Then f dash of x is less than 0. That means 1 minus 25 x square is less than 0. So this 25 upon x square we take in the right hand side. So 1 is less than 25 upon x square, and this x square will be less than 25. Now here fx is what? X plus 25 upon x. So this x should not be equal to 0, where this x should not be equal to 0. So x square is less than 25. Now wherever x square is less than k square, so remember this inequation that x lies in minus k and plus k. When x square is less than k square, then x lies in minus k and plus k. So we are using this inequation here, and therefore our x will be take value minus 5, square root of this, it is minus 5 and plus 5. Or we can say x belongs to the open interval minus 5 to plus 5. लेकिन minus 5 और plus 5 के बीच में 0 है, यहाँ पे minus 5 plus 5, so that x should not take this value, otherwise the function is not defined. So therefore x is belonging to the open interval minus 5 plus 5, and x is not equal to 0. So for this value of x, the function is strictly decreasing. The next question is fx is equal to x cube minus 9x square 24x plus 12. Now we find value of x for which the function is strict. Third sub question is fx is equal to x cube minus 9x square 24x plus 12. Here we find value of x for which the function is strictly decreasing. So first we find derivative f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. This we take common, 3x square minus 6x plus 8. Here factors are 3x minus 4 and x minus 2 are the factors, that is f dash of x. Now the function is strictly decreasing. Now since fx is strictly decreasing, decreasing, strictly decreasing. Therefore it is strictly decreasing, therefore f dash of x is less than 0. 3 x minus 4 into x minus 2 less than 0. So we find value of x for which f dash of x is less than 0. So we are getting here two values of x, one is 2 and another is 4. So let us see, here is 2, here is 4 and 4 to infinity, and here it is minus infinity. Now f dash of x is what? 3 into x minus 4, x minus 2. If our x is less than 2, x is less than 2, for example अगर आपका x less than 2 है, for example x is equal to 1 है, so what happened? This is what, this part is what, all values of x which are less than 2, all values of x for which here x is greater than 4. अगर हमारा x less than 2 है, so what happened? Suppose we are taking x is equal to 1. यहाँ पे हम 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and this will become positive. So here this will become positive because negative will become positive. Here we can say f dash of x is greater than 0. If our value of x is greater than 4, suppose for example we are taking x is equal to 5, तो हम यहाँ पे 5 रखेंगे, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. ये 1 into 3 will become plus 3 and this into 3 will be plus 9, that is greater than, f dash of x will be greater than 0 for all value of x which are greater than 4. मतलब ये x is greater than what? 4. So यहाँ पे भी आपको f dash of x is greater than 0 आ रहे हैं, it is greater than 0. अभी 2 and 4 के बीच में ये this is the interval, that is the open interval 2 4. So इस open interval में if we take any point x, suppose you are getting x is, suppose you are taking x is equal to 3, what happened? So here 3 minus 4, see this is 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 1. For example we are taking x is equal to 3. So 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. मतलब एक नेगेटिव है एक पॉजिटिव है, तो ये नेगेटिव होगा. इसका मतलब ये 2 to 4 ये इंटरवल में क्या होगा? f dash of x will be negative. That means for this open interval 2 to 4, the function is strictly for this value of x, where x is belonging to a open interval 2 to 4, our function is strictly decreasing. So therefore f dash of x is less than 0 for x is belonging to the open interval 2 to 4, open interval 2 to 4. Or in another way we can do, we want that the function f dash c derivative f dash of x should be negative. That means एक negative और एक positive चाहिए. So as f dash of x is negative, so एक negative और एक positive चाहिए. Otherwise or what we do, ये negative और ये positive. Suppose case 1, x minus 4 is negative and x minus 2 is positive. एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव होगा तभी ये नेगेटिव होगा. Means x is less than 4 and x is greater than 2, that is x is greater than 2 or x is less than 4, that means this interval x lies in 2 to 4 interval. Case 2 देखते हैं हम. ये प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव, मतलब एक नेगेटिव और एक पॉजिटिव. हमने ये मान लिया एक नेगेटिव है ये पॉजिटिव है. अभी दिस इज द पॉसिबिलिटी दैट दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव. सो लेट x minus 4 is positive and x minus 2 is negative. then you will get x is greater than 4 but and x is less than 2. Is it possible? No. The number is less than 2 but greater than 4 is not possible. This is not possible, therefore the value of x should be lie in the open interval 2 to 4, or we can do by this way. Here f dash of x will be negative, that is strictly decreasing function. For this value of x, x lies in 2 to 4. Question number 4. Find value of x for which this function is increasing as well as for which the function is what? Decreasing. So we find value of x. First of all, we will find derivative f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 3x square minus 24x 144. This is derivative. 3 we take common from here, x square minus 8x minus 48. Then we factorize this, minus 48. Here it is 3x. Here 4 into 12. So minus 12 and x plus 4. X plus 4, 12 minus 12 into 4, minus 48, minus 12 and plus 4, minus 8. These are the factors. This is what f dash of x. Now for increasing and decreasing, both we have to find value of x. So we are getting 2 points. One is x is equal to 12 and another is x is equal to minus 4. So let us take these points. Here is minus 4 and here is 12 to infinity, here minus infinity. Now we decide, see, we check for which value of x the function is f dash of x is what? Greater than 0, and for which value of x f dash of x is what? Less than 0. So f dash of x is equal to 3x minus 12, x plus 4. We are getting values of x 12 and minus 4. Here we took minus 4, 12. 12 के आगे infinity, minus 4 के पहले minus infinity. Now suppose in this, when our x is less than minus 4, what happened? See, for example, x is less than minus 4. What we get? X is less than minus 4. See, the f dash of x will be positive only when both are negative and both are positive. ये दोनों अगर negative है तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा, ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा. मतलब फंक्शन इज इंक्रीजिंग, मतलब ये एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स विल बी पॉजिटिव. ये भी नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव मतलब इंक्रीजिंग. ये भी पॉजिटिव है तो ये पॉजिटिव मतलब इंक्रीजिंग. और x इज लेस देन माइनस 4, व्हाट हैपेंड? व्हेनेवर x इज लेस देन माइनस 4, x इज लेस देन माइनस 4, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम माइनस 5 लेते हैं. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं माइनस 5. अगर यहाँ पे माइनस 5 लेते हैं तो माइनस 17 होगा और ये माइनस 1 है. ये माइनस 17 और ये माइनस 1 होगा. सो दोनों नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव होगा. दैट मीन्स हियर फॉर दिस वैल्यू ऑफ x लेस देन माइनस 4 और एफ डैश ऑफ x इज पॉजिटिव ग्रेटर देन 0. फिर ये if our x is greater than 12, what happened? x greater than 12, तो ये 12 के ऊपर है, मतलब समझो मान लो 13 है तो ये 1 होगा. x greater than 12 तो ये भी पॉजिटिव होगा, ये भी पॉजिटिव होगा. सो देयर प्रोडक्ट विल बी आल्सो पॉजिटिव. मतलब 12 के आगे कोई भी वैल्यू ऑफ x we are getting what? f dash of x is positive. That means our function is increasing for either or x is less than minus 4 or x is greater than 12. तो बाकी का जो है इंटरवल, इस इंटरवल में फंक्शन क्या होगा? डिक्रीजिंग होगा. Here in this interval minus 4 to 12, suppose any point you are taking say 0. For our convenience we take what? 0. So at 0 what we get? ये 0 होगा मतलब -12, ये 0 और ये +4, -12 इंटू +4, -12 इंटू +4 एब्सोल्युटली यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट, नेगेटिव वैल्यू। सो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव आता है, तो इस इंटरवल में नेगेटिव आएगा, f dash of x will be negative. So f dash of x will be negative, that means the function is decreasing over here. So we can say here that our function is increasing. So f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0 when x is belonging to ये interval -infinity to -4 union 12 to infinity, and f dash, that is fx is increasing, fx is increasing for x belongs to -infinity to -4. Here it is closed interval, this is closed union 12 to infinity. Now as we said here, f dash of x is negative for value of x lies in -4 to 12. So f dash of x is negative if for x is belonging to closed interval -4 to 12. That means function is decreasing, therefore fx is decreasing for x belongs to the closed interval -4 12. Otherwise we can do it by, see this way, the function will be increasing, that means what, f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0, that means this product is greater than or equal to 0, मतलब या तो दोनों पॉजिटिव है या दोनों नेगेटिव है. सो f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0, then case 1, that is case 1, दोनों पॉजिटिव है, मतलब x minus 12 is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, or x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater than or equal to 12 and x is greater than or equal to -4. अगर x greater than 12 है, so that means it is greater than what, smaller number, that is we can write here x is greater than or equal to 12. That means x is belonging to 12 infinity, that is for function is increasing. Another case is what, case 2. What is the another possibility here? Both are greater than 0, both are less than 0 is the another possibility. Then also product will be positive. X minus 12 less than 0 and x plus 4 also less than 0. Then what we get, x is less than or equal to 12 and x is less than or equals to -4. ये मिनिमम नंबर है और x is less than मिनिमम नंबर, that means it is also less than मैक्सिमम नंबर. 12 से भी लेस है. अगर वो x is less than -4 है तो obviously it is less than 12. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, that is we can write here और x is less than or equals to -4, that means x is belonging to the interval -infinity to -4. मतलब this is also possible or this is also possible. That is or x is belonging to the union of these two intervals -infinity to -4 union -infinity to -4 union. So fx is increasing fx is increasing for x belongs to the union of this interval 12 to infinity. 12 to infinity. Similarly, for decreasing function, we there arise two cases that here it is less than 0 means what? One is negative and another is positive. One is positive and the another is negative. Then only the product will be negative. Let's see question number 5. Find x. Fx is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square minus 144x minus 7. When it is, see, we find value of x when it is strictly increasing. Also we find value of x when it is strictly decreasing. That means when f dash of x is strictly greater than 0, when f dash of x is strictly less than 0. So सबसे पहले हमको इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना होगा. So fx is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square minus 144x minus 7. Derivative f dash of x, which is equal to 6x square minus 30x minus 144, then 6 common from here, x square minus 5x minus 24, then factors are here minus 24, 8 into 3, so x minus 8 and x plus 3 factors. So what two values we are getting? One is what? We are getting x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 3. ये दो values आपको मिल रही. So here look at this. Function is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. We are getting this minus 3. So here is minus 3 to minus infinity, and here is 8 to plus infinity. So this reason is what? Minus 3 less than. Here value of x lies in minus 3 to 8. It is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Minus 3 to 8 and 8 to infinity. Value of x is greater than 8. Value of x lies in minus 3 to 8. Value of x less than minus 3. Then what happen? F dash of x. Now look at the behavior of f dash of x. If suppose we take value less than minus 3. So यहाँ पे all values which are less than minus 3. Any value you consider minus 4. So less than minus 3. Say it is minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 8 will become minus 12 and minus 4. This will be what? Suppose for example, if for example we are taking x is equal to minus 4, which is less than minus 3. So what is the value of this? Minus 4 and minus 8, minus 12 into minus 4 and plus 3, that is minus 1. दोनों माइनस है, नेगेटिव है तो प्लस होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा. दैट मीन्स हियर you are getting f dash of x is greater than 0. अगर वैल्यू ऑफ x greater than 8 है तो क्या होगा? So if our x is greater than 8, suppose for example you are taking x is equal to 9. यहाँ पे अगर 8 से greater है वैल्यू ऑफ x, सपोज हमने 9 लिया, 9 माइनस 8 1 होगा और 9 प्लस 3 12 होगा. ये प्लस 1 और ये प्लस 12, दैट इज एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू पॉजिटिव नंबर. सो अगेन पॉजिटिव होगा. सो देयरफॉर हियर फॉर ऑल वैल्यूज विच आर ग्रेटर देन 8 यू आर गेटिंग एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स अगेन पॉजिटिव. दैट मीन्स our function is increasing for all those values of x which are less than minus 3 and for all those values of x which are greater than 8. So the function is strictly increasing, that is f dash of x is strictly greater than 0. Then what happened in the interval minus 3 to 8? minus 3 to 8 कोई भी अगर पॉइंट लेते हैं हम, यहाँ पे -3 to 8 सपोज 7 पॉइंट लेते हैं हम, तो व्हाट हैपेंड, x इज इक्वल टू अगर 7 लेते हैं, सो व्हाट हैपेंड 7 - 8 दैट इज -1, और ये 7 + 3 इट विल बी 10, 10 इंटू -1 नेगेटिव आएगा। सो क्लियरली यहाँ पे इस इंटरवल में f' ऑफ x नेगेटिव आने वाला है, नेगेटिव। दैट मीन्स फॉर दिस value of x which is -3 to 8 the function is decreasing, and for this value of x that is -3 to infinity here or 8 to infinity, so this value here for this value of x the function is strictly increasing. So we write here therefore function is strictly increasing, fx is strictly increasing for x belongs to -8 to -3, -8 to -3 union -infinity to -3 union 8 to infinity, and the function is strictly decreasing for value of x belongs to the open interval -3 to 8. X is belonging to the open interval -3 to 8. So here the function is strictly increasing, here the function is strictly decreasing. Let us see question number 6. Find x. fx is equal to x upon x square plus 1 is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So very first we find what? Derivative. यहाँ पे हम डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे। fx is what? x upon x square plus 1. f' of x we find. Here f' of x we find. What is that? u upon v rule we apply over here. X square plus 1 whole square, v derivative of u x square plus 1 into 1 minus u derivative of v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v, इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा 2x, so it is x square plus 1 minus 2x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. डिनोमिनेटर ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिव है, खाली न्यूमरेटर हमको चेक करना है। 1 minus x square it is upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now we find value of x for which the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing के लिए. Now first case we take, that is a. Here fx is strictly increasing. fx is strictly increasing. मतलब आपका f' of x क्या होना चाहिए? ग्रेटर देन 0 होना चाहिए. दैट इज 1 minus x square अपॉन, ये हमारा f' of x है, so 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 whole square should be greater than 0. So for what value of x it will be greater than 0? So let us see. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 0 आएगा, मतलब न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट इज 1 minus x square is greater than 0. अभी ये x square राइट हैंड साइड में आएगा, तो 1 is greater than x square, that is x square is less than 1. So already we have discussed, अगर x square less than a square है, so this will imply that our x lies in -a2 plus a. मीन्स यहाँ पे x lies in -1 to +1, मतलब x is belonging to the open interval -1 plus 1. ये हो रहा है function is strictly increasing. Now we'll see for function is strictly decreasing. So when our function is strictly decreasing, see when our function is strictly decreasing, b for fx is strictly decreasing, then f dash of x what is less than 0, that means that is this 1 minus x square upon x square plus 1 whole square upon x square plus 1 whole square, this is less than 0. मतलब this numerator is only less than 0. So 1 minus x square is less than 0. So 1 is less than x square, that is x square is greater than 1. So for this implies that x is greater than 1 and x is less than, see x is greater than 1 or x is greater than 1 or x is less than minus 1. That means our x is belonging to the open interval minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Union 1 to infinity. Now yes students, look at question number 7, very interesting question number 7. Show that fx is this 3x 1 upon 3x increasing in this interval and decreasing in this interval. This we have to show. So first of all we will find f dash of x. What is f dash of x? Derivative is this 3, 1 upon x derivative will be minus 1 upon x square. So it is minus of 1 upon 3x square, minus of 1 upon 3x square. Derivative of this function f dash of x, what is that? 3 minus 1 upon x derivative will be minus 1 upon x square और ये 1 upon 3 constant है, so minus 1 upon 3x square. Now this function will be increasing when f dash of x is greater than 0. This function will be decreasing when f dash of x will be less than 0. So this is our f dash of x. Let's say it is 1, we denote it by 1. Now look at the case when our x lies in 1 by 3 and 1. What happened? Here if, see first one, x lies in 1 by 3 open interval 1 by 3 to 1, that is our x is belonging to 1 by 3 to 1. So taking reciprocal of this, if we take reciprocal, or here we have x square, so we will square it. 1 by 9 is less than x square is less than 1. Taking reciprocal as 1 upon x square is there, यहाँ पे 1 upon x square है इसलिए हम reciprocal लेते हैं या 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो अगर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर है, तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 1 अपॉन 9 है, सो इट विल बी 1 अपॉन 3 लेस देन 3x. पॉजिटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर इनइक्वालिटी विल नॉट चेंज. एक्स स्क्वायर इज लेस देन व्हाट 3. अभी इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं तो इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज. ये रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा 3. सी दिस रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 3. यहाँ पे रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे तो इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज. नेगेटिव साइन लेस देन साइन विल बी ग्रेटर देन 1 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 1 अपॉन 3. मतलब 3 is greater than 1 upon 3x square as required here. इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमको चेंज करना है. यहाँ पे is greater than 1 by 3. अभी यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन है तो नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज. नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो अगेन इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज. लेस देन होगा ये माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, ये भी लेस देन होगा माइनस 1 अपॉन 3. अब इसमें 3 ऐड करना है बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर्ड माइनस 1 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3. सो 3 ऐड करना है इसमें, तो 3 ऐड करेंगे, यहाँ पे भी 3 ऐड करेंगे. Here also we add 3 minus 1 upon 3. So what it will be 0 greater than 0 3 minus 1 upon 3x square is less than 9 minus 1, that is 8 upon 3. इसका मतलब जो फंक्शन है f dash of x, so here our f dash of x is greater than what? 0. See here, f dash of x is what? Greater than 0 for x belongs to 1 by 3 to 1. Similarly हमको दिखाना है it is less than 0, f dash of x is less than 0 for x lies in 1 by 9 to 1 by 3. ये दिखाना है हमको. So we start again second case. This is what first we have to show that the function is increasing for this value. So we consider our x is lying in this and we have shown that f dash of x is greater than 0 मतलब increasing for this value of x. अभी हमको दिखाना है it is decreasing for this value. So ये अपना f dash of x है. So this is our f dash of x. Now if second, if our x is belonging to 1 by 9, 1 by 3. So we want here square, तो हम square करेंगे, but before do that, see we'll square it. X square is greater than 1 by 81 is less than 1 by 9. 3 से multiply करना है हमको, so it is 27. 3 से multiply करेंगे 3x square, यहाँ पे 1 by 3 आएगा, 1 by 3. Then take reciprocal, so it is 27. Reciprocal लेने पर inequality change होगा, यहाँ पे inequality change होगा, is greater than 3, is greater than 3. Then further here नेगेटिव साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, माइनस साइन से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अगेन इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज, माइनस 27. ये इनइक्वालिटी विल चेंज लेस देन माइनस 1 अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर. नेगेटिव से इसलिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमको क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव, वी वांट टू गेट दिस लेस देन माइनस 3. फिर यहाँ पे 3 ऐड करना है हमको, सो 3 ऐड करेंगे, सो माइनस 24. यहाँ पे 3 ऐड करेंगे लेस देन 3 माइनस 1 अपॉन 3x square लेस देन 3 minus 3 will be 0. We are interested to know this, our function is less than f dash of x is less than what? 0. So therefore f dash of x is equal to 3 upon 3 into 3 minus 1 upon 3x square is less than 0 for x belongs to the open interval. यहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया था 1 by 9 to 1 by 3. The function is decreasing, that is fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing for x lies in 1 by 9 to 1 by 3. Now we do 8th question. Show that fx is this x minus cos of x is increasing for all value of x. fx is increasing for all value of x. So यहाँ पे हमको cosine sine का range we have to use to show this. Range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1, that we are going to use here. हमारा fx is what? Here fx is equal to x minus cos x. Very simple question. F dash of x we find, derivative is 1 and derivative of cos is minus sine, so it will be plus sine x. Now we want to show that the function is increasing for all value of x. So we know sin x, it lies in minus 1 to plus 1 for all x. So we are adding here, see we want to find increasing function only. So ये आधा इनइक्वालिटी हमको कंसिडर करना है. So minus 1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू sin x, इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे 1. दिस इज और f dash of x. We add 1 to both sides. यहाँ पे 1 minus 1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1 plus sin x. This is for all x. मतलब this is what f dash of x, therefore you are getting f dash of x is greater than or equals to a 0. What did you infer? The function is increasing for all x, therefore fx is equal to x minus cos of x is increasing for all value of x, for all x. So here we have done remaining questions of increasing and decreasing functions. Here up to 8 we have increasing and decreasing function. Questions are on increasing and decreasing functions. So in the next video we will see questions on maxima and minima. So thank you for watching this video.